What is up, guys? We are, if you guys saw my last video, we are in Malaysia. It's the night part of the it's the night part of the last video. We are at Nasi Lemak Wan Jo. Apparently it's a very nice and famous Nasi Lemak place. Not gonna lie, it's my first time here. Don't even remember coming here when I was small, but you'll see how delicious it is. I mean, it looks delicious. Oh yeah. We just got our food. It was so hectic, I couldn't even film like getting it. But there it is. I got chicken. We both got chicken. Rendang chicken. I forgot. It's a type of like preparation rendang. So you got like beef rendang and chicken rendang and all that, but it's almost like curry, I think, maybe. I'm not really sure actually. It's like dry, almost semi-dry curry. I think I'm right, I don't know. I got chicken and sotong, which is like squid, and fried eggs, a little bit of sambal, cucumbers, and fried anchovies. So this is like Nasi Lemak. It's like the base of Nasi Lemak, and then you got like extra stuff that we added. It's supposed to be like the famous Nasi Lemak, most famous Nasi Lemak in Kuala Lumpur. That's what we saw in the videos. And dude, this place changed, right? I think we saw that video, that was like maybe 5 years ago.
It was.
And apparently maybe this place survived COVID because it got like brighter, it got nicer, it got more modern.
Yeah.
More staff.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, yeah. I mean, yeah.
Buka puasa. Selamat makan.
It's me. Oh. Nasi Lemak is like the best food, in my opinion, in the world, babe. Yeah, I know. I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
I don't care about like other Japanese food and all that. I think Nasi Lemak is like the best food in the world. Full stop. Y'all can get in the comments and fight me about it. It's the best food. Best. Yeah, I want you to eat it. Hurry up.
This is my first time to eat nasi lemak, I guess.
Nobody says lemak.
Selamat makan. てか人に言うよね。いただきます。To me. やばい。間違ったとこ食べた。
What?
間違ったとこ食べた。
Spicy? Oh, you ate a bone? What is wrong?
Oh my god, it's so good.
It's good, right? It's the rice.
Good.
Her first time eating nasi lemak, it is a win. It's a win, right? First time nasi lemak, good. It's a win. We're gonna finish this food, and then I wanna search for not sotong. What is it called? Satay. And roti chana. I want you to eat roti chana. If you eaten that, that's like gold. We can probably go back after that. You don't have to see any other things. Okay, we stumbled across this shopping mall and now we're shopping, so yeah. Are we gonna eat anymore? Are you full? You can eat dessert. If we eat dessert, I'll put it on here, but if it's not, I think I'm gonna stop the vlog. Yeah? So right now we're shopping. I'll see you guys in the next one. Tomorrow we'll still be in Malaysia, like half day, so but we're gonna do shopping. We're going to a mall. I think we're going to a mall, and then we're gonna have like more food, right? We still got 2 more dishes that we want to tackle for tomorrow, so that's gonna happen. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one, which is tomorrow. Bye.